Hello everyone, I will introduce the diesel generator set today. This diesel generator set uses the VOLVO engine from Sweden, Stamford alternator, and a smart drain controller. The engine's power is 183 kW. Integrated water tank is used. Also, the intercooler is aluminum. The engine structure is compact and stable. The hexagonal structure generator's rated power is 160 kW. Includes the automatic control system to manage the operation situation of the unit. For example, the engine speed, oil pressure, operating temperature, generator voltage, current, and other dates, and can alarm and stop when the data is abnormal. The unit is open type, and the base is composed of spiring plastic channel steel, which is strong and durable. The unit installs with high-strength shock pad, which can effectively reduce shock.